In this video, we'll show you the main features of the Kraken platform and how to trade on it. The Kraken platform is a comprehensive platform that facilitates trading and investment in both traditional and cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, currency derivatives, and currency tokens. The Kraken platform is renowned as one of Europe's premier platforms, providing a wide selection of fiat currency pairs including the Japanese yen, euro, British pound, and US dollar. The trading volume for the Bitcoin-yen pair on the Kraken platform is notably and impressively high, experiencing a remarkable surge in activity. This surge followed the downfall of the Mt. Gox platform, with the Kraken platform subsequently assuming its responsibilities in that area. The platform additionally provides the capability to engage in trading across various cryptocurrency pairs, including Litecoin and Dogecoin. And one feature that interests adventurous traders is margin trading, as the Kraken platform offers the ability to increase your account balance in specific trading pairs. Despite the fact that this won't offer you the largest amount of funds in the markets. Despite our discouragement of investing in margin trading, which can quickly deplete your account balance if market conditions turn unfavorable, the platform is still rich with many features. It offers extremely high security thanks to its two-factor authentication and PGP encryption. The fees differ based on the trading volume for the primary trading pairs. This percentage ranges between 0.1 and 0.35%, fluctuating with the volume. However, for other cryptocurrency pairs that are less common, the range might fluctuate around 0.05%, or go as high as 0.75%. Additionally, traders who contribute liquidity benefit from a 0% fee. The deposit and withdrawal process varies depending on the method. However, the fees are typically set at approximately 0.19%, with a minimum charge of $20. For the Japanese yen, there's a minimum deposit of 5,000 yen. There are no deposit fees, however. A 20 yen withdrawal fee is applied. This is the main interface of the platform. Go to Create Account, then enter your email, name, password, and country. You also have the option to set up a business account. Now proceed to log in, and you'll be prompted for two-factor authentication as an additional security measure. This is the simple and fast trading interface. Here, you can input the price and currency to perform a buy, sell, or convert operation. However, for actual trading, you should navigate to Trade at the top. This screen will appear. There are different trading options available, simple trading and intermediate trading, catering to varying levels of investor experience. But for the professional investor, this is the interface they use. Choose the currency from the top right and these currencies will appear. For example, select Bitcoin, hit the sell button and then pick the quantity. There's the market order, which means buying at the current market price. When you select market, the option to enter a price will disappear. However, with a limit order, you can specify the exact price you wish to pay for each Bitcoin. The purchase will only be completed once the price reaches the value you entered. After that, you must click Sell and confirm the transaction. Now, for an intermediate order, this interface provides extra options. If you choose to sell and select a currency like Ethereum, you'll enter the amount of the currency and the price you want to buy it for when the currency reaches that price. Otherwise, you can choose a market order, which means buying at the current market price. You can either buy directly or proceed to the leverage option, where you can select a multiplier from 2 to 5. This means increasing your account's purchasing power by 2, 3, or even up to 5 times. From start, simply pick whether you want to purchase right away or at a particular time. Even if the conditions are met before the time we chose, the purchase will only be guaranteed at that specific time. From expire, set the order's expiration time. A whole month might pass without the conditions being met, so here you can set the order to expire after a certain time, or you can choose to keep the order active. From fee currency, select whether you want to pay the commission in US dollars or Ethereum. Select the post-limit option, which prevents the fee from being taken immediately. In Advanced, you have more purchasing options. Select Buy, choose the currency, and set the volume. It asks for the volume because when you choose to buy as a professional, you'll be prepared to purchase thousands of the currency, so volume provides a wider range of options for selecting your desired type of purchase. For example, choose Limit and enter the price you want to buy at. And when you set it, for instance, at $4 to buy the nanocurrency, choose plus or minus 1% of the current price, just as you would with the intermediate method. Select your desired leverage as well as the order's start and end times. There's a conditional close, which means it sells automatically. For example, select Limit and the selling price. For example, if you purchased the cryptocurrency at $4, you could choose a conditional close at a price of $5. This means the sale will automatically execute without you needing to return to the site daily. This offers an easier way to profit without any effort on your part. Returning to the top bar, under Prices, you can view the current rates. From Earn, you'll find cryptocurrencies ranked by profitability from highest to lowest, and from Funding, you're able to make a deposit. And under History, you can view all the operations you've performed. Now, if you click on Buy Crypto, the chart for the currencies will appear. Please share your questions in the comments below, and remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell icon.